Now, for solving quadratic equations, there are many cases. I will start with case 1, when a equals 1. What is a again? Who remembers? A is the quadratic coefficient, the number before x. Example, I will go to insert equation. I will go to power 2. So x power 2 minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. It must be equal 0, guys. Remember that. I will write it here. It must be equal 0, okay? Quadratic equations. X squared minus 5x plus 4. Is a 1 or not? A is 1. A is the number before x. This is a, guys. Here, before x power 2. This is a.
1, 1.
So now, what are the two numbers that it's called sum and product. If I add them, I will get negative 5. And if I multiply them, I will get 4. What are the two numbers? مين بيعرف? There are two numbers. If you add them, you will get negative 5. And if you multiply them, you will get 4. What are the numbers? Now see what you do. You start with this. Two brackets multiplied by each other. The answer is 0. And you write x here and x here. Okay? Always you do that. Now you have two numbers. The sum of them is negative 5.
Can I do the steps with you? I know how to do it.
The sum is negative 5. It's called sum and product, guys. What are the two numbers, Abdullah, that if you add them, you will get negative 5. But if you multiply them, you will get negative 5. But if you multiply them, you will get 4. The numbers are negative 1 and negative 4. Add them, you will get negative 5. Multiply them, you will get 4. Now, either x negative 1 equal minus 1 equals 0, so x will be 1. Or either the first...
Multiply يساوي 0?
طبعا, because it was 0 here.
Okay.
So either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. So now move 4 to the other side. X will be 4. That's all. Guys, sum and product is really easy. Believe me. It's very easy. One more question and we will go to the next one. Plus 3 plus 2. Yalla. Abdullah Dakhakhni or Imadi or Abdullah Maraghi or Muhammad. Yalla, help me. What are the two numbers that if I add them, I will get 3 and multiply them, I will get 2? Khalid? Jason.
Easy for kids.
What are the two numbers that if you add them, you will get
the two numbers?
Two numbers are 2.
2 and what? What are the two numbers that if you add them?
2 and 1. 2 and 1.
2 and 1 مستر. تاني فكر فيه. صح.
Very good. So now x plus 2 times x plus 1.
X plus 1 equals 0.
Now either.
Some product.
Yes. Either the first bracket is
they will be minus 2 and minus 1. Easy. Finish. We are done.
Or x plus 1 is 0. So, Abdullah, I will challenge you with this question. Ready?
Bring any question.
Challenge جيب أنا وعبدالله.
Be careful, Abdullah. It has a trick, huh? What are the two numbers that if you add them, you will get what?
2 and 10.
Negative 8. Negative 8.
And you multiply them, you will get what? Negative
1.
So, x plus 2 and x minus 8?
X minus 10. 10.
So here,
equal 0.
x minus 10
عندك x plus 2 بالنهاية بيطلع لك negative 2 و 10.
I will talk to طلال, نواف, جاسم الرحيمي,
محمد
الرحمن. I will help you, طلال. Don't worry. Ask yourself, is A 1? Where is A? Where is A? طلال, where is A? هنا ليك وين شفتها? So it's sum and product. When A is 1, use sum and product. Where is sum and product? Here, video number 1. Ask yourself, what are the two numbers that if you add them, you will get negative 30, but if you multiply them, you will get positive 200?
The negative 20 times 10. Negative 20 times negative 10. Plus negative 10.
Nawaf plus 1 mark.
Can you continue?
يا أخي فنان.
Nawaf, can you continue? Okay, Abdurrahman, there are two numbers. If you add them, you will get negative 30, but if you multiply them, you will get positive 200. That means the numbers are negative because if you add them, they will stay negative, but if you multiply them, they will be positive. خلي هالنقطة ببالك. Look for the numbers that if you multiply them, you will get 200. شو هني؟
Negative 20 and
negative 10. زودهم بيطلع negative 30.
Negative 10.
We write here x minus 20 و x minus 10. Or x minus 10
x plus 20. Ali, what is the number that when we multiply it, the two numbers that we multiply it and it gets 200?
And if you add them, you will get
20 and if you add it, it gives minus 30.
20 and 10. Good job, Ali. But are they positive or negative?
This situation.
Very good, Ali. You need to fix your mic again. You need to fix your mic, Ali. So now the sum and product. What are the two numbers that if I add them, I will get negative 30 and I multiply them, I will get positive 200. They are negative and negative. So Abdurrahman, why did I write them like that? Because this is This is called factoring. Factoring means I give it to you like that, together one piece, and you give it to me.
ايوه انا اقطعه واعطيك. نعم.
انتوا
يا
تفصلوا.
بطل. Now,
قطع.
two brackets, if you multiply them, you will get 0. What does it say? One of them is 0, right?
Of course.
That's why we said either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. Don't stop here, continue. So move negative 20 to the other side, it will be positive. And here, move negative 10 to the other side, it will be positive.
Easy.
This is all about sum and product.